I'm coming home, I'm coming home. Tell the world I'm coming home. Let the rain wash away all the pain of yesterday. I know my kingdom awaits, and they've forgiven my mistakes. I'm coming home, I'm coming home. Tell the world I'm coming. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. I'm coming home, I'm coming home. Tell the world I'm coming home. Let the rain wash away all the pain of yesterday. I know my.
Okay, y'all, we have made it to Southern Armory where we're getting the where we getting the alternator checked out, which is right there. So we're gonna take the alternator in there, and so we are back with the starter, and it looks like a brand new one. The guy cleaned it up. Hope the camera doing some justice. Hope it's doing some justice, but man, look at that. That's like a brand new starter, and it's a rebuild. He went ahead and put new regulator in it, bearings, and something else. But if you look at it, man, he did a great job, like a brand new starter. I mean alternator. You can't tell the difference. So we're going to put this back on, and just like TV magic, we're gonna close it out and come back, and it will be done. Okay, as y'all can see, we got the alternator back in, tied down and everything, so it's good to go. But we have to go around here and charge these batteries up, because the guy that rebuilt the alternator said the batteries need to be fully charged. So we got to take these covers off. As he said, would mess up the alternator. So we're going to take these out. Get this cover off. And as y'all can see, I got 4 batteries. So I got to make sure I line it back up. So I got to do a little diagram so I know how to go back, and then I'm going to clean the posts and everything. So we will get back with you when we get these. Okay, we're walking around here, let y'all see that we did get all the batteries out, and we're gonna take them and get them charged up. But it's kind of rusty under there, so I think I'm gonna get some black spray paint, so it won't rust no more, and kind of take care of that before it get to be a problem later on. But other than that, y'all, this is a long day, work day, and we're tired. We can go take these batteries. It's in the back of this pickup. Drop them off at AutoZone or Vans Auto, one of them. Them 3 batteries, 4 batteries. That's how tired I am. And we're gonna call it a day. We will see y'all tomorrow. Peace out.
I'm coming home.